Okay, so in this series we have touched on how to set up assets or import the asset data, how to set up or assign a functional location or an account to an asset. Now let's talk about how to set up or create maybe a preventive maintenance or work order or a job for an asset. So you have set up the assets. Okay, so assets are set up here. Okay, in order to create work orders or preventive maintenance, we go to service management or work activities module. You may see we have work orders or inspections or PM. Okay, so let's say you want to set up a work order. So you go create a new. Now there are a couple of options. First is of course this asset could be account specific. So maybe you want to select the account first, and then maybe you can select the assets. In some cases, you would like that one account might have multiple say similar type of assets. So maybe this Acme demo, it could have maybe HVAC units, okay, or refrigeration units, but this company has purchased, let's say, 100 HVAC units. So simply selecting the HVAC unit may not help, and thus you may need to select the functional location. So it could be anything like this company has so many buildings, you could select anything. Let's say let's select this functional location. We know now that for this function location this is the service address, and now you may select the asset. So could be anything. Let's go with solar plant. So as soon as you select the asset, you can see the warranty and the contract specifics have been pulled in. Okay, you have the asset details. Okay, if this is coming to an end, if this is expiring, you would receive a notification for the same. So this is how you select an asset, and now you may follow the process of creating the work order or a preventive maintenance. So you select the category of the work order, you put in all other details. These forms are configurable. You may select the billing type, add whatever items you need to, that would be pulled from your price list and product list. And lastly, you can assign it to an employee, maybe a subcontractor or vendor, or otherwise a team. Okay, so this is how you would set up a work order. Okay, just in case you need to set up, let's say, a preventive maintenance. So you'll follow the same process, that is, you go create a new PM, you select the asset and all other details. The only difference would be the schedule. Okay, so when you're setting up a PM, in most cases, depending on your contract, it would be recurring. So you may select the frequency from here, and then based on contract you can set up the end date also. Okay, so if it is to happen, let's say maybe every month, you may select what would be the start date. Okay, or if you want to specify the fixed timing, you may do that also. Okay, you do that, you set up the end date based on the contract, put in all of the details and create this. So as soon as you create this on that asset for that account or customer, this PM would be created. Of course, if it is being assigned to John, John would be notified via email as well as mobile app notifications that this PM has been assigned to him. So this is how you create work orders or jobs or preventive maintenance or inspections on an asset. I hope this was helpful. If you have any question, feel free to drop me a message and I would be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching.